I want to take you along on a slow summer day. Don't really have a whole lot of plans today. That's just the way I like it. Animal chores, some garden work, cooking, maybe make some flower arrangements. I do want to do a quick shout out to today's video sponsor, Kiwico. More on that later. Alright, I really quick want to show you our new setup. My chicken is being very loud. But we decided to start separating the calf at night from the cow so that we can milk her first thing in the morning. She's over a month old now. We have this pen that we've always had for the goats and that the cow lived in until we got the fencing done. And then Luke just made an extension of the pen with a couple cattle panels and just a really quick gate. And so at night, about 8 o'clock, depending on when we're home, we bring the cow and the calf in here. We put the calf in here, the cow in here. Then I'm gonna milk her this morning, and then we're gonna put them both out together all day in the pasture. A little bit of rosemary and thyme. I want to tell you a bit about today's video sponsor, Kiwico. We are out on the front porch today doing our Kiwi crates. Now they are STEAM activities, which stands for science, technology, engineering, art, and math. They have boxes for ages all the way from 0 to 104. So for example, Daniel has the panda crate, and then it moves on up through the koala crate for Micah, the Kiwi crate, the Atlas crate, and then we usually get a couple of Tinker crates for the older girls. I love these because the kids love them. They get so excited whenever they come. They cannot wait to open them. I like that the activities really stretch and challenge them for their age group. One of the boxes that I really always love getting is the Atlas crate. It teaches them about another culture from around the world, usually through a craft, a recipe, several different activities. So my son made this little doll, which he really enjoyed doing, and he could do it all by himself, which was great.
But I think I just moved it.
You're doing your own DIY thing here?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Each box comes with all the supplies that are needed for that month's project so that you don't have to run to the store or get anything. There are detailed, kid-friendly instructions, and most of them also include an educational magazine that has content to learn more about the theme for this month. Kiwico believes that teaching kids how to problem solve will make them more innovative people who can change the world tomorrow. During the summer, I really like them because it helps keep kids engaged, even if we're not doing a lot of homeschool during the summer. this gives them something fun to work on that still keeps them very engaged. Kiwico is offering my viewers 50% off your first month any crate with my link kiwico.com/farmhouseonboone50. I just made a flower arrangement. I actually planted several more varieties this year than I usually do. I have this orange cosmos. I have a bunch of different types of sunflowers that I didn't plant last year that are really pretty. And then a wide variety of my usual zinnias and cosmos. And it's just looking so pretty, and I really need to be cutting more often, like every single day. I'm bringing these everywhere in our house because the more I cut them, the more they seem to come back and grow even more. Follow me in. Why are you so difficult, huh? You're difficult. Okay, mommy and baby are separated for the night. Now this hopefully will become more seamless. Might need a new track or something.